Oh. Let's go. All right.
Go.
I love symmetry. I mean, straight away, apart from the chimney, it's perfectly symmetrical. So I'm gonna shoot that, and then this one on the right is just look at it, look at the character. Should we get main road? Yeah. Let's do it. I think I might shoot some horses for this, eh? Get the horses' attention. Oh! That's sick. Fence on the right of the frame. Wait, I'm gonna ask this guy if I can take a photo of him. That was sick. The trees. I shot him so he was on the lower left of the frame to get all that empty space of the trees on the right. Perfect. Okay. I'm stoked with that. I'm just gonna run down and shoot this quickly. This trip is something that I really wanted to get into film for because, I mean, look where we are. And the color profiles are so nice as well. It's lunchtime. No, it's not. I need to unlock the car first. Alrighty, we've just finished the roll in Wallowitz, which is just west of Berlin in Germany. We've shot a lot of architecture and even a couple of portraits, so I'm very keen to see how they go. Thanks guys.